In a development that has triggered debate over animal rights and public safety, Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai, indicated that the Supreme Court would look into the contentious issue of relocating stray dogs in Delhi NCR. The statement came after a lawyer brought up a petition related to the sterilization and vaccination of community dogs in the capital, citing the Apex Court's earlier 2024 order delivered by a bench led by Justice J.K. Maheshwari. That order has explicitly barred the killing of stray animals and underscored the constitutional value of compassion towards all living beings. However, CJI Gavai noted that another Supreme Court bench has already passed directives on to the matter. But the other judge bench has already passed order. I will look into it. This is what he said. The other bench judge referred to was headed by Justice J.B. Patriwala alongside Justice R. Madhadevan, and just 2 days earlier ordered all municipal bodies across Delhi NCR, including the NDMC, MCD and civic agencies in Noida, Gurugram and Ghaziabad, to immediately capture stray dogs and relocate them to designated shelters. Now, the Patriwala-led bench, citing a grim situation and increasing incidents of dog attacks, stressed to the urgent need to protect vulnerable groups such as children, women and the elderly. It warned that any organization or group obstructing the removal process would face strict legal consequences. In addition to immediate relocation, the bench ordered that where shelters do not exist, authorities must construct them without delay and submit detailed infrastructure reports to the courts within 8 weeks. Now, this ruling has sparked widespread backlash of animal rights activists, civic groups and public figures. Congress MP and leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, criticized the decision, calling it a step back from decades of human science-backed policy. Prominent figures from the entertainment industry and animal welfare circles have also voiced concerns on social media, warning that such measure could cause suffering to the animals and disrupt community-based sterilization and vaccination programs that have been in place for years. The CJI remarks now open the door for a possible review of the relocation directive, creating a legal and more crossroads for how India addresses the long-standing stray dog issue, balancing human safety with compassion for animals. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to the Saveda. Download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.